welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members and special welcome to any new knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the membership options. In this video, I'll share with you my capsule wardrobe and Hermès scarves I've chosen for an upcoming business trip. We'll take a look at the scarves and outfits and see how I could actually make at least a dozen combos with just the basics I'm packing for the trip. Let's get started. This will be a relatively short business trip. We're talking about 4 days total, including travel. Spring weather can be variable, but for the week that I'm there is rain in the forecast. That means light jackets, a raincoat, and a selection of scarves. Overall, this will be a business casual wardrobe. First, let me share the scarves that I've chosen for the trip. This first one is a 90 centimeter silk twill called Jaguar Quetzal by Alice Shirley. It has a range of oranges, yellows, greens, browns, black, and white. This also has a contrast rolled hem in a mid-tone yellow. Next is a 65 centimeter cotton scarf from the men's collection called Jardin de Calypso. This one has a very citrus yellow base with a variety of greens, browns, black, and white. It has a teal border and citrus yellow contrast rolled hem. Next is a silk twilly called Savannah Dance by Ardmore Artists. It is quite colorful with various greens, oranges, yellows, browns, gray, black, and white. And then last but not least is a 70 centimeter silk twill called Promenade de Paris by Philippe Ledoux. It has a marine blue background with other shades of blue, yellows, browns, gray, black, and white. Its border is black with a striped brown and white rolled hem. This is a travel day, relatively quick flight, and I head into meetings not long after I arrive. What I plan to fly in is this. For the scarf, I'll wear the 90 centimeter Jaguar Quetzal, a black short sleeve scoop neck tee, olive green twill ankle pants, a black knit jacket with an ivory scalloped hem. Then I'm bringing a poplin trench coat as outerwear, and for footwear I'll wear a pair of white leather slip-ons. I'll wear the same outfit to dinner. Day 2 is a full day of meetings. For the scarf, I'll wear the 65 centimeter Calypso scarf. I have a yellow-green eyelet sheath dress. This is sleeveless. It's supposed to be hot. Then a solid black knit jacket, plus some black loafers, which are comfortable for walking. I have the trench coat as a topper, but may not need it if the warm weather forecast prevails. Day 3 capsule. For the scarf, I'm planning the Savannah Dance twilly that I'll pair with a sleeveless coral ponte knit sheath dress. I'll top that with the black knit jacket with ivory contrast edging, and I'll wear the white leather slip-ons. While I will be inside for most of the day in meetings, I will also still have the trench coat as outerwear just in case. Then day 4, this is a travel day back home. For the scarf, I'm planning to wear the 70 centimeter Promenade de Paris, the olive green twill ankle pants, plus a darker olive scoop neck tee, the solid black knit jacket, black loafers, plus the trench. These scarves are different but complementary in their color schemes. With this capsule wardrobe, I could make at least a dozen different looks just by mixing things up and changing the scarf. As a PS, I did have time to visit the Hermès boutique there and was able to find a couple of goodies to take home as souvenirs. First is the Brie de Gala en Fleurs Twilly. This is originally by Hugo Gard, of course, and reimagined by Christine Henry. Admittedly, this is not the colorway I thought I'd end up with, but when I saw it in person, I was immediately smitten. This is the Bleu Jaune, Rose, and Saumon colorway. Second is the 45 centimeter silk twill called Ready Go by Baptiste Vico in exactly the colorway I wished for, namely the Rose Nacre, Rouge, and Jaune. If you saw my review on the scarf, it is a jacquard silk weave with multiple patterns, a gorgeous, subtle touch, only visible on closer view. So there you have it, my Hermès scarf capsule wardrobe for a 4-day business trip. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Till next time!